So today's video, I'm going to show you how I made the arch over my picnic table. It's good for shade, and it's actually harder than I thought it was going to be, but I did it by myself, so I really think it's a two-person job for bending the PVC, but here we go.
Okay, so I have this picnic table right here. I have all these trees in the back, but I have no trees inside of my fence. But I have this extra piece of fence. Now I have these T-posts and this PVC. I'm going to try to put it up over the picnic table for some shade. I'm trying to leave enough room in between to be able to water. So we'll see how it turns out. This is how far I got last night. And then the mosquitoes started chewing me up, so I gave up. I think I still have room to get in between. And I did it with my favorite zip tie trick. But it feels like a little bit of sun on these, they're gonna pop. So I think I'm gonna come back with some kind of clamp, like a metal clamp. So anyhow, we got that one up in the air. And now I've got to bend it down, and then I'm just hooking it in the little L. So it's going to be this little L right here. I got to pull it down, hold it in there, and try to do the zip ties at the same time. So that's what we got going on. And then this is just going to go up and over, starting at the bottom, up over the arch. Finally got the frame done, and I reinforced it with some really sturdy, thick zip ties, and I'll put a link in the description for those.
Okay, this is where we are at right now. I have got a shade net on one side of my arch, and the other side I have peas growing up. And these metal pieces here in the front, I'm going to put some more of the camo net over that. This is the camo net, and I got it from Temu, and I really wasn't expecting much from it. When it came, I was thinking, I'm not sure how good it's going to work, but it's already been through torrential rains here in East Texas, and I really like the way it looks. I got it for 11 something, about $12. It was a 6x9 piece, and I started it up there, come down, and then I cut off the edges. So you can see this was one whole piece right here. And then the bottom half, starting about here, were the side edges that I cut off of the arch. So I like it open on this side because, as you can see, this is where the sun comes from most of the day. It gives good shade on my picnic table, but not quite enough. So I'm going to put the next piece that's coming across here, about 6 foot tall. It'll give me a little more privacy from the other side of the street. I also plan to put twinkle lights inside for at night. And then this side is fine. I've got good neighbors over here, and the sun doesn't come that direction. And I have peas growing up here. Since the last video, also, you can see my sunflowers on this side have grown a little. But look at these babies on this side. Oh! This fence is 4 foot, so they're about 3 foot tall. And today is April 15th, so it took about 2 months for them to get this size. And then I'm also adding to my pathway with my stepping stones. I plan to put the mulch around them, like here, and then also on the other side of that entry rug. But I have to decide how this wall is going to look. And they say that my other piece of the netting will be here on Monday. That's the thing about Temu. I paid $12 for mine. You might be able to go on there and get it for $8. They'll just keep sending you messages trying to get you to come buy something else. But I paid $12 for it again. And I'm fine with that. It serves the purpose that I wanted it to serve. And I really like it. I have a mess under here because I'm going to be making some more stepping stones. And I think I'll go ahead and make a video when I do it. This is my form that I got also on Temu. I've been buying a lot from Temu because they just have great deals.
So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.